Collision detection. Collision detection is when two objects or images collide on your screen or overlap on your screen. So before we begin collision detection, we just talk about images for a brief minute. So images are made up of pixels. A pixel is a dot of color on your screen. Zoom in far enough on your screen and you will eventually see small little dots or squares. These are known as pixels. Your computer screen displays resolution. The resolution of your screen is measured in pixels per inch or dots per inch. The average monitor at school, the screen at school displays 72 pixels or dots per inch. It's not a great resolution, but it's good enough to actually see different images. You can change the resolution of your screen by changing the display settings. So if you are working on a PC, you can right-click anywhere on your desktop and it will show you the following pop-up screen, and you can move the slider up and down to change the resolution. As you change the resolution, you will notice that the display becomes smaller or larger. With images, you can find the resolution and the height and the width of a particular image if you open it up in Photoshop or another software imaging app. The image size will also tell you the resolution. The resolution and the document size go hand in hand. They affect each other. So in this case, you will notice that the resolution is 72 dots per inch and the width is 184 pixels and the height is 3456. So collision detection in Java can happen in many ways. As you can see on the screen, these two images have overlapped in different configurations. In all these cases, we would say there is a collision or an overlap. So in order to do collision detection in Java between two images or two shapes, you need to know the coordinates of the two shapes and the height and the width of the two shapes. All right, so in order to do collision detection, you need to add the following chunk of code to the bottom of your applet. Don't change anything in this code, just simply copy and paste it as is. You can copy and paste it just below the last curly bracket. This section is known as collision. So in my game, I want to check if the car and the frog have collided. When the car and frog overlap, I want to move the frog to the bottom of my screen and I want to subtract 1 from the frog lives. So in order to do this check, I need to add the following if statement in my run method. You will notice that I have given this collision or this if statement collision code all the 8 pieces of information. I have given it the frog height, the frog coordinates, the frog height, the frog width, the car's coordinates, the car's width and heights. So if this if statement runs, it will reset the frog x to 500 and the frog y to 1500, which is the bottom of my screen, and it subtracts 1 from the lives.